Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Aruna. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please press the red subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In this video, I'm going to review a new subscription box in the market, Fboxx. They have 4 different boxes with price variations available with them. Of it, I bought the March edition, the starter box edition. But before getting into the video, I will show you guys where I purchased the box and all. Actually, I came to know about this box from Scriber. Actually, Scriber is a well-known place when it comes to subscription boxes. You can find all variations here, like not only for makeup or skincare. You can find food, luxury and necessities like pads and all, and everything you can find here. I bought this box from Scriber only. As I already told you guys, there are 4 different variations here, like Valentine's gift edition, plus limited edition, and a plain starter box. And this one is I got the starter box for the March edition, and it cost me around 699 rupees. If you take the box for a single month, it will cost you 699, but when you can take it up to 1 year plan. When you take the 1 year plan, each box will cost you around 49. And this is how the package reached me. It didn't have any kind of plastic bubble wrap or all those kind of things, but it reached me safely. I am saying that the packaging is really eco-friendly. So once you open the package, you see this kind of cover, and for stuffing they used paper only. The first thing I have seen here is a card. Actually, they have different variations like beauty products, health, footwear, apparel and all. And they sent this one too, a photo booth or something. Overall, I received 6 products from this box. All products came from the same brand. It's Pure Ayurvedic Wellness. Actually, this is the first time I hear about this brand, so I did some research and come across this information from their websites. Actually, it's an Indian brand. It's paraben-free, no mineral oils, no bleach, and natural and eco-friendly ingredients, sulfate-free, no synthetic colors, 100% vegetarian, and it's cruelty-free. That is, it's not tested on animals and all those things. So it seems to be really a well-known Ayurvedic brand. So let's see what are the products I received from that brand. The first product I received is the Your Age Delay Intense Face Cream. It's a wrinkle control, firming and moisturizing face cream. Actually, I received 30 ml of this product. And they give the information about their web brand and the pricing. It's actually 450 rupees. And the ingredients list and everything here. It's also about the product, and as I already listed you guys, these are the things they are very serious about, like no bleach, no mineral oil, and all those kind of things. So this is the packaging. Actually, all these products have the very beautiful packaging. It's pump packaging, so you don't have to worry about hygiene and all. It's really safe to use. You can easily handle it and you can easily travel with it. It's a plastic packaging, so you don't have to worry about breakage and all. And fragrance is really nice. I couldn't find any fault with this product. At first it leaves a shiny layer on the skin, but later it gets absorbed too, so you don't have to worry about that. The second product is Aloe Vera and Neem Face Cleanser. It's a face wash. It's purifying, soothing and cleansing face wash. It's also a 30 ml product, and they gave all the information here. Actually, I will tell about the issues with this box later. So its price is 350 rupees. Again, it comes in the same kind of packaging, a pump packaging. The packaging is really sleek, guys. You will definitely love the packaging. It's actually a gel kind of face wash, like a normal Ayurvedic face washes. It foams really well, and it has a neem in it, so it's great for acne prone skin. And yeah, this is how it looks. Green gel like consistency. It didn't dry out my skin. I used it already. It didn't dry out my skin and all. And third product is the Rose Petals Hand and Feet Cream. and its price is 450 rupees. It's also a 30 ml product. The only thing I don't like about this product is the fragrance. Actually, when it comes to rose petal hand cream, I used this Good Vibes products before. It smells really good, but this one, it seems like the smell get deteriorated. Actually, all the products I received in this box are manufactured in 2018, so it's about to be expired in 3 to 4 months from now. So the only issue with the Ayurvedic product is like the smell get deteriorated really fast. So I didn't find that pleasant rose petal smell in this product at all. So that's the only issue I would have with this whole box. But it leaves a little bit shiny and moisturized feel to your skin. And the next product is Sandlin Turmeric Nourishing Cream. It's also another face cream. It's also a 30 ml product. And the price is around 350 rupees. And this is what the product looks like. Actually, the product is kind of a creamy consistency only, but it's pure turmeric in color, and the fragrances, you can feel that turmeric fragrance from afar, like a pure turmeric fragrance, like the fragrance you get when you step into the temple and all. I really like the fragrance, and turmeric is really good for your skin. It helps you get rid of tan and everything. So I'm going to check how much it will help me. It's really hot summer here, and I get tan very easily, so I'm gonna use this one and let you know guys how it works on my skin. And another issue with these products are like I'm not sure where I can buy these products, so if I really like this one. So that's the other issue, because I couldn't find these products anywhere on the website. And the next product is a gel scrub. It's of saffron and licorice variant, and its price is around 350 again. It comes in a packaging like this, like a normal tub packaging. Actually, it's a pure orange in shade, and I'm not sure it's a saffron color or anything. It's pure orange color, and the scrub is really a hard material, so you can use it if you can't use it if you have too much sensitive skin, but it's okay for a normal skin. And the smell is really good. The fragrance didn't deteriorate at all. It's kind of a chemical fragrance. I couldn't say it's a pure herbal fragrance or anything, but it's really pleasant smell too. This is the only product I find the chemically feel to that. And the next one is neem and basil skin cleanup. It's actually a face pack, actually a normal face pack. It's of 250 rupees. If you guys want to know anything more about these products, I will give you guys a review after I used it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. At least 2 weeks, guys. Okay. It comes in a sealed pack only, and you can see that it's completely dried out. Actually, I'm not sure. It's not. I can use it as such on your face. I have to add some rose water or anything to make it into a pack. Even though it's a pre-made pack, I think completely dried out because it was on shelf for 2 years, guys. So you can't expect anything else. You can add a little bit of rose water to it and you can use it, but you can't use it as such. So my overall opinion about this box is like okayish. Because from the Fboxx point of view, it's really a good box. They sent the package. The packaging is really good. They sent it on time and everything. And I paid. I mean, like the price of this box is 699 rupees, and you get products worth of 2,400 something. So, you are getting products worth 3 times the amount what you pay for it. So from the Fboxx point of view, it's really a good box. But the only issue I have with this, the brand. I mean, like, I'm not sharing the issue with the brand. It's the timing I get the box. It's an Ayurvedic brand. So from what they have gathered from their website, it's really a pure Ayurvedic brand. They don't use any kind of harsh chemical or anything. So when it comes to Ayurvedic brand, you can't expect it to be last longer. Like the product is packed in 2018, so it's 2020. So if it is really a Ayurvedic brand, if the products are really from really devoid of any harsh chemicals, I'm not sure how they think that it will last this long, and they sent it via subscription box at the end of their shelf life. So it's gonna yeah, it's a small packaging. It's only 30 ml or so in that box, but I'm not sure. The smell already deteriorated at some products, and from the pack you can see that it's the smell. The product is completely dried out and everything. And at the very first pump when I was getting that product, I can see the different that separation in liquids like oil and that liquid. No, I can see that separation at the very first pump. After shaked it really well, I get back to that homogeneous consistency, and that's the feeling I get. Actually, I get a feeling like I'm paying for something which is about to be expired. I sit on the shelf for 2 years, and I paid my own money of rupees 700 for it. So I'm not that much happy about this product. And do I recommend this product box to anyone? No, not this particular variant, but they have many different variants from a very great brand like CGG Cosmetics and all. You can get that product from that Scriber website itself. But I'm not sure I will recommend this product to you. And if I buy, will I buy this product box again? I'm not sure. I have to check with the brand and everything, and then I will think about it. Thank you guys. And please share your opinion and all about this product in my comment section. And thank you for watching.